good signs, the good signs. Take a little more if you need it. Voices of the night won't mislead it. The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow. Here's to the nights we let go. And I'm hoping that they figure out it's all about the scenery along the route. No fears and no problems. These moments are so kind, are so kind.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Today is 6:56 a.m. Sunday morning, December 29th. 30th? December 30th. I just woke up. We are at our first accommodation. We have little villas, so I kind of like walked through and showed you guys what they look like. I would say I feel refreshed and rejuvenated and ready for the day. I slept horribly last night. It was freezing.
I'm gonna learn so much Spanish on this trip.
In our room.
You're gonna help me.
David's standing here just watching me. My roommates came back very loud and woke me up, and then the light was left on outside which shined on my bed, and then the air conditioner was right above my bed, and I was sitting there freezing, and then I only had a sheet and one blanket, and whoa, look at this.
Hey, you almost stepped on it, really.
Oh no, how cool. But I was cold, so I had to wake up at like 4 in the morning and get a towel because I didn't have another blanket, and
Did you bring sweatpants?
I had sweatpants and a sweatshirt on, and I had to put socks on. Yeah, good morning. Here's David.
Good morning.
David went out and played Never Have I Ever with a bunch of people last night around the pool, and he's tired because he stayed out until 1. Backpack strap is so sweet.
Thanks.
There we go. But yeah, we have our matching swimsuits on today. Woo!
Ooh.
I'm so excited. And he has his new shoes on. Woohoo! Alright, but we're going to head to breakfast, and then we will be on our way to kayak this morning. And we have a bunch of fun water activities planned for the day, so I will see you guys later. So we pulled over to look at it.
Remember that these animals, they can move a lot, they sleep a lot, so that's why. Remember the big one?
Oh, there it is. How did they see this from the bus? Yeah, that's so high. That's impressive.
But yeah, this is a man-made lake, and it's the only like really big lake we have in Costa Rica. We're gonna be actually doing kayaking on this lake.
Guys, we are here at this lake. It's a man-made lake. I cannot remember what it's called. Here's Allie too. Arena.
I feel a lot better today.
And it's raining.
Honestly, it probably couldn't change the weather.
So
Yeah.
we're getting wet.
They look mad.
It's not like a nice rain on a hot morning. This is a cold rain.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
I guess. Allie, turn around, look at me. Yay! We are kayaking out here. I'm so excited. I don't know where David went, but I don't know either. Oh, there he is. But yeah, we're gonna wait and go. If we have to sink, this would be a good place. We can still walk the shore. We are going to go take a kayak tour like half an hour out, and then we can swim if we want to. I don't know if I will, and then back. It's raining, but if it has to rain during something, this is a good thing that it rains during, you know? Like, we don't have anything on us, and we're already all wet. So, here we go. Allie, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ready?
All right, here we go. got in the water. How you feel? Aight? Really? Oh my gosh. It looks like it's
Elizabeth's
pretty
about to get in the water too. Come on. If you don't get in the water, I'll splash you.
You better not. If you want to have a fiance when you get back home, you better not. Got water. We're getting on the bus and we're going to go see the waterfall. David wanted me to hold his hand. We're walking across the bridge. Alright guys, so we are hiking to the waterfall right now. We're about to hit a viewpoint. No other real update, I guess.
It looks really pretty.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a very, very pretty hike. I'm worried my chacos are going to give me blisters. First time I've ever hiked without pants on, but here we are. Oh boy. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. It is so crowded here though, so we are kind of like hopping our way across these rocks trying to avoid people for pictures, but they're so slippery. Oh my gosh, that it's difficult. It's pretty cool. Okay guys, we have switched spots over to this little area over here that we're allowed to go swimming in. So here we are. I'm not a nature enough person to get in and get my GoPro down in the water like these people, but look at all these fish. That's so cool. Allie and I are on our way back up, and I think he said 500 stairs up, or 500 stairs down first and then 500 stairs back up. Okay. And it's tough. I'm very excited that I'm only wearing a swimsuit now because it's humid. We just finished lunch. I had a chicken sandwich and pineapple juice, and it was really, really good. And I've been surprised so far because every single thing I've eaten has been like really good, and that's one thing I was super worried about for coming here because I'm very picky. But it's been great. We're just walking around and exploring right now before we get back on the bus to go to a pineapple tour, and I have my pineapple serengeti on today. It's so festive. Alright guys, we are here ready for a pineapple tour. I have Sam here again too. Yay!
Of course you have a pineapple shirt.
I do! We just got matching ones. The company sent them for me for free because we got engaged in these, their clothes.
Oh my god!
Yeah, so we have matching shirts.
That's awesome!
Yeah, so Allie's here too. We all wanted seats at the side because we're in like a tractor to go on this tour, but I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, they grow on the ground like this. Isn't that so cool? Oh, baby pineapple. first picture of the trip because look at that view, it's so pretty. Sun is finally coming out and we got to get off the thingy and we're going to look at pineapple, I guess. That's pretty. So we are finished with our pineapple tour and tasting and everything. Just because I know a lot of people who watch my videos are wanting to go on these tours with Ia. I learned what to say, not to say last time. So to be clear, this was an optional excursion. It was $20 US and we got to, you know, go around, have a tour. The tour guide was awesome and it ended up being super fun. So I think it was worth it if you're looking for something to do. Everyone else just got to hang around town today and then walk back to the hotel we're staying in. So if you're looking for something fun, I would recommend this one.
I recommend it too.
David seconds that. Allie? I recommend it too. Okay, perfect. So that's 3 for 3. We just made it to the hot springs. We are getting wristbands right now. Thank you. This was not on the itinerary originally, but it's not like an extra excursion that we have to pay for. All the food here and the drink here we do have to pay for, but it's like a hot springs we can go to, and we were paying for a locker, and there's a water bar here. That's kind of neat. Shirt on now too. He's obviously super thrilled about how many pictures I keep asking him to take with me. And now. Yeah, it feels really good actually. This is so cool. I've never been to a hot spring and I feel like we're outside. We are outside. I just looked up for whatever reason. I thought we were still inside, but we are not. These are natural hot springs and this is awesome. I like it a lot. Oh my gosh, it's Cincinnati. That probably makes you so happy. I can't believe Cincinnati's on the TV. Alright guys, we are going to end the vlog here for today. It was such a long day, such a fun day. We are still at the hot springs right now, but since we found out we are outside, it is getting dark, and my GoPro, I know its abilities, and it sucks in the dark. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I've got David with me. We're just hanging out. We kind of separated from the group, but we are having a great time. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can get tomorrow's video. We have a bunch of fun stuff planned again tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what it is yet, but it will be great. Oh, it's New Year's Eve, so There we go. Yeah. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so we will for sure have fun stuff. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!
See ya.